One has to be the most dangerous number in life and in business. It is a risk to just do one thing. You need to go outside the box. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tammy, and in today's video I'll be talking about some side hustles you can actually do just so you're not stuck doing one thing in life. So that way you can create multiple streams of income for yourself and of course create a life of options for yourself. So let's get right into it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Of course, subscribe to my channel, comment wherever you find most valuable, and of course, don't forget to share the video. So let's get into it. So a lot of times I meet a lot of people, from professionals to small business owners to top executives, right? And a lot of those people live in fear every single day. And when I speak with them, one thing that causes fear for them is the fact that they lack options. They are scared that if they lose their job, or if something happens to their small business, or just in case any of the life situations come around, what exactly would become of them? What would happen to their finances? Because the bills don't wait. And that's why I always advise, if you are doing anything that is working for you at the moment and you've been able to ground yourself enough in it for some years, you want to start committing to building side hustles. Side hustles are very good, and like the name, it's on the side. So it's not like you're looking to get 100 million out of it. You're just looking to do it on the side so that it gives you supplementary income to maybe pay a little bill here and there. You can also use it to scale the business and just give you something on the side that gives you option in case things don't go as planned. So what are some of the side hustles I would recommend if you're looking to start a side hustle in 2024? The first one is freelancing. So I'm believing that you already have a skill. So let's say you are an accountant, or let's say you are, let's say, a web developer, or you work as a marketer. You can start doing some sort of freelancing job. It's as good as a job, but it's just on the side. You're not under a contract, you're not going to get benefits, and it's a one-time payoff thing for a lot of people. So you want to start doing gigs on the side that would pay you some extra money. And the best way to get gigs like this is to basically start reaching out to people on maybe Upwork or Fiverr and the likes. And let's say you're not a professional, you don't have any skill at all. All you need to do is go pick up a skill. You can learn graphics designing, web designing, coding, whatever skill, copywriting, direct response copywriting, like just a lot of skills out there. Those are the ones that are just popping up in my head. So you can do a research and just put on ChatGPT top 10 skills to learn in 2024, and you'll find a lot of skills to learn. Then you can head on to udemy.com or any of the sites where you can learn stuff, right? And then purchase a course. You most likely find something for $150. Learn a skill and start offering it as a freelancer. And I know I talked about Fiverr and Upwork, but there are other ways to also get people to pay you as a freelancer. So you can go on LinkedIn and connect and look for people who are looking to hire people who need the service you're doing, right? And I'm just going to give a quick example of this freelancing thing. So I have a friend here who is an accountant. He's an accountant full-time, and then he decided to start a side hustle. So what he does is, during the tax season, he helps people file their taxes. It's an easy stuff. Would barely take him 30 minutes or even 20 minutes, and he's done, right? Now he charges people $60 per filing that he does, and every tax year he gets about 100 people to sign up to use him for the tax service. So that means $60 times 100 people, that is an extra $6,000 a year just doing that side hustle for him. That's one side hustle you can do, and that's called freelancing. The second side hustle I would recommend is a business called affiliate marketing. I know I've talked about affiliate marketing before. I've made videos about it. You can go watch them. Affiliate marketing is a simple business model where you simply promote other people's products or services and get a commission for doing that. It's as easy as it sounds. Get someone who is looking for a product and get someone who has the product, bring them together, get a cut out of it, and then you basically can make some income from it. You can watch my other videos about that and get started on that. The third side hustle I would recommend is this. It's called information marketing or digital content creation. So basically this is the idea of selling your knowledge for money. So let's say you're an accountant, like I said, you can write an ebook on how to file your taxes and sell it for $10 or maybe 5,000 naira or whatever the currency is, right? Or you can start a coaching program on maybe how people can stop smoking, or you can start a coaching program on how people can build a personal brand. Basically, you can coach people, develop courses, develop ebooks based on your area of expertise or something you've been able to learn, and then you can also make a lot of money from that. I know someone here who currently sells a program on how to relocate to Canada and makes tons of money from it. I also know someone who helps people just draw up like a plan for their travel and makes a lot of money from it. I've also sold a lot of information products and I've made a lot of money from it. So it's one of the best businesses out there, and it barely needs any money for you to start. So if you're looking to build a side hustle, you want to look into that. And then lastly, the one I'll talk about is called drop shipping. So there are a lot of side hustles out there, but I'm just limiting it to this four, so this video is not too long. So for drop shipping, it is basically you picking up a product and then selling it, but you would not be keeping inventory. So all you want to do is simply look for someone who has a product. You want to start running advertisements for this product, and then you basically get orders and get that person to fulfill the order, and then you take the profit on top of that. So I would make another video where I would actually break down my drop shipping experience. It's a local drop shipping experience and how anyone can replicate this. It's a simple business model. Look for someone who has a furniture shop, take pictures of the furniture, very good ones, put it up on Facebook or on Instagram, open up an Instagram page, start building around it and get people to order the furniture from you. Give the order to the person, you take your own share of the money. It's quite similar to affiliate marketing. The only thing is you set the price and you take all of the profits, unlike affiliate marketing where you get a part of the profit as commissions, right? So it's pretty easy. These are 4 side hustles you can start this year, and I hope you actually pick one of them and start, because it's going to help your life tremendously and would also improve your finances massively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.